mataas ang tensyon. Okay, so let's proceed now to the awarding of certificate and medals to the winners of photojournalism. For elementary level Filipino category. 7th place from Balao Elementary School, Abra de Ilo, Jessie Godrich Castillo. Coach Girly Gozar, school paper Ang Balangao. 6th place from San Jose East, Kathleen Ann Mazo. Coach Michelle Tolentino, school paper Ang Laya. 5th placer from Mamburao Central School, Frances Crisley Ladao. Coach Annie Magramo, school paper The Capitolio Chronicles. Our 4th placer from Magsikap Elementary School, Clayton Joy Season. Coach Joanne Almanzor, school paper Ang Sikap. And the 3rd placer from Alibog Elementary School of Magsaysay, Rendelyn Lubay. Coach Bernard Susidor, school paper Ang Laya. And the 2nd placer from Iling Elementary School, Crystal Aliyah Pag-Ilagan. Coach Belgin Robles, school paper Bandilio. And our champion and the RSPC qualifier for photojournalism from New Dagupan Elementary School, Yanesa Bocobo. Coach Miriam Bocobo, school paper Ang Buhay. Once again, our winners for photojournalism, our champion Yanesa Bocobo. Ang ating mga level Filipino category. Our 7th placer from Iling National High School, Jennifer Robles. Coach Mary Joyce Elegarco, school paper Pandao. And our 6th placers coming from Magsaysay National High School, Francis Ryan Bernabe. Coach Francis Aningat, school paper Ang Baghari. Our 5th placer from San Jose National High School, John Kenneth Peña. Coach Mirasol Nonong, school paper Ang Medalyon. Our 4th placer from Occidental Mindoro National High School, Janelle Nofre Dantayana. Coach Nelson Dantayana, school paper Mga Buti. And the 3rd placer is from Rizal National High School, Ismael Biantan. Coach Rhea Egiron, school paper Ang Panitik. And the 2nd placer is coming from Santa Cruz National High School, Sharifa Cabiles. Coach Renz Christian Madrid, school paper Ang Talabasi. At ang kampiyon from Sablayan National Comprehensive High School, Valin Faith Ramos. Coach Madeline Fernandez, school paper Ang Punyal. Congratulations! And for English category elementary level, our 7th placer is coming from San Jose Pilot Elementary School, Cyrus G. Marie Jimenez. Coach Genevieve Ignacio, school paper The Panturukan. Sixth placer from Monte Claro Elementary School, Jillian Shiel Benitez. Coach Lovelyn Cordero. School paper, Ang Puso. Fifth placer from Magsikap Elementary School, Mandy Trixie Limpin. Coach Joanne Almanzar. School paper, Ang Sikap. Fourth placer from Poblacion Elementary School, Chloe Luis Medrano. Coach Ma'am Cleope. School paper, Ang Parola. Our third placer is coming from Santa Cruz Central School, Fiele Alejandro Galsim. Coach Felson Espiritu. School paper, Ang Bugo. And the second placer is coming from Ining Elementary School, Luis Joyce de los Santos. Coach Belgian Robles. School paper, Ang Bandilio. And our champion is from Bella Vista Elementary School, Jana Nicole Requino. Coach Marian Garcia. School paper, Ang Dugoy. Once again, our winners for elementary English photojournalism. First, Jana Nicole Requino. Second, Luis Joyce de los Santos. Third, Fiele Alejandro Balsim. Trixie Limpin. Sixth, Jillian Shiel Benitez. And seventh is Cyrus G. Marie Jimenez. Let's have now the secondary level English category. Our seventh placer for photojournalism is from Holy Family Academy, Bishi Lovelyn Ortega. Coach Romel Malikse. School paper, The Herald. Sixth placer is coming from Magsaysay National High School, Jerry Cyril Villarosa. Coach Hazel Ann De La Torre. School paper, The Rainbow. Fifth placer from San Jose National Agriculture and Industrial High School, Carlene Ledo. Unidentified po ang coach, but the school paper is The Green Thumb. Our fourth placer is coming from Occidental Mindoro National High School, Matt Remy Navarro. Coach Nelson Bantayana. School paper, Mga Buti. Our third placer from San Jose South, Romina Andrea Ladang. Coach Mary Joyce Monique Elegarco. School paper, Pandao. Second placer from Iridon National High School, Earl Jan Gundran. Coach Jenny Bautista. School paper, The Mangroves. And our regional schools press conference qualifier for photojournalism is from Rizal National High School, Prince Siren Catholico. Coach Rhea Egiron. School paper, Ang Paniti. Once again, our winners for photojournalism, secondary English, Margaret Navarro. Fifth, Marlene Ledo. Sixth, Jerry Cyril Villarosa. Seventh, Casey Lovely Ortega. We're calling on Sir JP.
Next up, we will have the awarding of the certificate and medals for our news writing category, elementary level, Filipino. Seventh place, from San Roque 1, San Jose East District. Alia Villarosa, Coach Leggy Salvador. 6th place, from Rizal District, Pitogo Elementary School, A. Canal S. Sarmiento, Coach Cheryl P. Lopez. School paper, Ang Pitogo. 5th place, from Abra de Ilo District, Tibag Elementary School, Leonard Elleries C. Bautista, Coach Bobby S. Montemayor. 4th place, from Santa Cruz District, Santa Cruz Central School, Arisha Zal V. Espares, Coach Virginia O. of Tinalia, School paper, Ang Bugo. 3rd place, from Buena Vista Elementary School, Sablayan North District, Kerlin Ricky D. Ricentino, Coach Sindex Salgado, School paper, Ang Dugoy. 2nd place, from Mamburao Central School, Mamburao District, Lian Jade Lee Rolio, Coach Elaine C. Calara, School paper, The Habitonia Chronicles. And this year's RSPC qualifier is from Pag-asa Central School, San Jose West District, Cyril A. C. Orsal, Coach Maria C. Cahayon, School paper, Bagong Pag-asa. Once again, our winners for News Writing Elementary Level category, Filipino category. First, Cyril Orsal. 2nd, Lian Jade Rolio. 3rd, Curly Ricky V. Ricentino. 4th, Arisha Zelis Pares. 5th, Rainer Elleries Bautista. 6th, Akanel S. Rosa. Congratulations. Yes, from Paluan National High School of Paluan District, Binzi Lohan P. Gipelgon, Coach Jennifer Talento, School paper, Balita Tao. On the 6th spot is Kaminawin National High School of San Jose South District, Ricky S. Perona, Coach Jean Adeliano of Angla. 5th place, Abra de Ilo National High School, Abra de Ilo District, Cashal Lorraine O. Avita, Coach Catherine Lee A. Bernardo, School paper, The Port. On the 4th spot is Irio National High School, Calintaan District, Charmaine B. Pascual, Coach Welisita Tubong Barnwa of the Mangroves. Taking the 3rd spot is San Jose National Agricultural Industrial High School of San Jose West District, Chris Jean O. Salazar, Coach KCL Zabanal of the Green Tom. And the 2nd placer is from Occidental Mindoro National High School, Mamburao District, Jian Ayman Pantay, Coach Michelle V. Timbas of Mamabutil. And this year's RSPC qualifier is from Sablayan National Comprehensive High School, Sablayan North District, Julian Aitia, Coach Patricia May R. Saldavico of Ampunyal. Once again, our winners for News Writing Secondary Level Filipino category are 1st, Julian Tia, 2nd, Gianna Pentay, 3rd, Christian Salazar. Next up is News Writing Elementary Level English category. On the 7th place is